Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Timex Digital watch. This is the version with the 4 buttons, so 2 on the left and 2 on the right. You can find it in a silver tone case, in a gold tone case, and in this full black version with the rubber/resin strap. Now the first thing that you want to do in your home screen is to press the set button. Once you do that, you'll be able to first reset the seconds. If you reset them between 0 and 29, they are going to reset to 0, and that is all. But if you reset them between 30 and 59, they are going to reset to 0, and also a minute is going to be added. So keep that in mind as well. Now when it comes to setting the minutes, we won't be able to adjust them like from 1 to 59. You are going to be able to change the first number and the second number. So I'm going to make it, let's say, 55. So I'm going to leave it at 5 here. Then I'm going to press the mode button in order to make it here 55. As you can see, if I go past that, it is going to go to 0. And now we are going to go once again at 55. If I press the mode button once again, I can adjust the hours. And here in the top right corner, you can see that we have AM flickering. So this means that we are AM. And as you can see, it is going to go to P, so it is PM. So I'm going to make it 5:55 PM. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and now we can select the month. So I can make it December. I hope you guys can see that. 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. And then I'm going to press the mode button in order to make it the 20th of December. If I press the mode button once again, we can actually set the day of the week. So you won't be able to set the year, but you are going to go to the day of the week, which is, as you can see right here, we have Sunday, and then it is going to go to Monday, Tuesday, and you can see that it goes to the right depending on what day of the week we are. I'm going to leave it at Friday. If I press the mode button once again, we are going to start the whole process once again. As you can see, now we have the seconds between 30 and 59. So if I press them, they are going to reset to 0, but also add a minute. So now if I want to go and make it 6, I'm going to go past 10, and then I'm going to make it 6, or let's say 5, depending on what time it is. So in case you made a mistake, you can go and change it. And once you have everything set and done, press the set button and everything is going to be set. So we have the time, guys, 5:56. It is Friday, the 20th of December. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to set the time and date on your Timex Digital watch with the 4 buttons. This is going to work for a lot of other models made by Timex. So make sure to use this tutorial. If you found it useful, make sure to give the thumbs up because it helps the channel a lot. Leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next. What was your experience so far with this model? I really want to hear you out, guys, if you like and enjoy this particular model. And if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys, because I post a lot of videos and I'm pretty sure you are going to enjoy them. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.